everybody. So we hope you're having a fantastic day.
We really do.
Yep, we do. And it's Bonfire Night tonight.
Woo!
Woohoo! So Bonfire Night is my favourite night of the year, and some of you asked me what it was when I said that a couple of videos ago. And so we are going to film it for you guys.
We're going to tell you all about Bonfire Night and why we burn a man on a fire.
Yeah, it's a really English tradition. And yeah, I know loads of you are like not from England, so you might actually want to know what it is.
Wow.
So Johnny's going to tell us what on earth Bonfire Night is.
Once upon a time, in deepest, darkest 17th century England, there was a man named Guy Fawkes, who was a northerner. Not that that has anything against him, but he was a northerner. He came down and he didn't have a great relationship with the crown, basically the king, and he didn't really like the way the king was treating the English, and he didn't really like the fact that a lot of parliamentarians were corrupt, and so he decided the best thing to do about it was to kill them all. Hey! And so he rented an undercroft, or sort of a cellar of the Parliament building, and put lots of gunpowder in it, which was pretty cool.
And it's called the Gunpowder Plot.
Yes.
There you go.
Because that was a good idea. They didn't have, yeah, that was the best way to blow up Parliament, obviously. And he planned it all. He even got a day when all of his friends who were in the government were not even in the building, so all of the bad people, the king supporters and the king, were actually the goodies in this story technically, were in the building, and he was going to blow it up. But somebody tipped off the cops, and they busted on him and caught him.
Yep, which is why...
on the 5th of November.
Yeah. Yeah, well, there we go. That's why you can still see the parliamentary buildings if you come and visit London.
Which is quite cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Wow. And anyway, what they did after that was they tortured him for a bit, and generally paid him and tried to get some information out of him, which they got, and they caught all of his little mates because of that. And immediately after they found out all this information, they hung him.
Yay! Wasn't he supposed to be hung, drawn and quartered, but he...
No, they hung him, killed him, and then they ripped his body into 4 parts and put them in the different corners of the country to say, if you mess with the king, you'll probably end up like that.
Lovely. So on Bonfire Night we celebrate that great fact
by burning an effigy of Guy Fawkes or Guido Fawkes on a bonfire.
Yeah, and
which is a big fire.
Well, it depends on which Bonfire Night you go to because it's sort of celebrated in lots of different ways. But
most of the people have a competition who can make the best look-alike of Guy
Fawkes,
and then they burn that one on the fire.
Probably win something like a bag of chestnuts or
a brand new Mitsubishi.
That would be nice. I'd enter that competition. Yeah. Okay, well that's cool. And so tonight what we're going to do is we walk up to like our local field place and
where everybody does congregate on Bonfire Night.
Like everybody in the village goes to. It's like the one night the whole village gets together. We don't really get together any other night, do we?
Not really.
Like ever.
No.
So we'll all be there and then they'll light the bonfire, which is very exciting, and it will be massive and it's going to be awesome. And then there'll be fireworks. I think half an hour after that. It was
actually compulsory up until the 19th century as well.
Yeah, to actually have a bonfire night.
You had to celebrate that the king killed people who didn't like him.
Yeah.
And then we just continued it because it was a good laugh.
Yeah. Although people all, everybody does it.
I think it's sort of like American Thanksgiving equivalent.
It's kind of like a Thanksgiving equivalent because it's a similar time of year.
Yeah.
And kind of a similar sort of lines, isn't it?
Yeah. They killed the Indians and celebrated it, and we killed.
Yeah, we don't really know very much about it.
Celebrated. Tell us all about Thanksgiving.
Yeah, tell us about Thanksgiving because we have no idea.
Oh, yeah. Turkeys.
Yeah, you have turkey and stuff. Anyway, so we eat lots of special foods. Well. No, really, we don't.
We have sausage.
We do.
Just sausages.
We have sausages and soup. Soup's kind of quite good. Yeah, because it keeps you warm when you're standing outside in the freezing cold. And I made something. What is it? Oh, I don't know. Show them what it is. Flapjack. Flapjack is amazing. This is actually a Sophie Dahl recipe. It's a bit healthier than normal. It's got honey in it, no sugar. It's good, isn't it? Yeah, and lots of molasses. Did you just pull a nasty face out of the camera? Do you not like it? Anyway, it's because it's a healthier version, but flapjack mostly is usually like golden syrup and sugar and oats and butter. Pretty much cooked. You don't like it?
It's really good. No, seriously, it's really nice.
I don't believe it. Might I taste it? Just in case it's horrible. I like it. And the other thing is we'll be doing sparklers. Everyone does sparklers, pretty much. We have 20 sparklers, which is awesome. And they're mega sparklers. It says mega sparklers on it. Amazing. So we'll show you guys those later. Woo! Yay!
Yay! It's Bonfire Night. Oh no.
Okay.
Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder treason and plot.
I can think of the reason
Reason why
gunpowder treason.
gunpowder treason, yeah, that's right.